Good morning all of you. Today we are going to study about the continuation of our second chapter, Animal Kingdom. We already learned about our second chapter, Animal Kingdom. From there we learn about basis of classification. In that basis of classification we already learned 6 bases of classification and all the features also we learned. Then today we are going to study about the classification of animals. We can learn about the classification of animals. The animals are classified into 35 phylums, from which 11 phylums are considered as the major phylums. Then we can check that which are the 11 phylums. Here you can see the 11 phylums names. First one, phylum Porifera. Second one, phylum Nidaria. Third one, phylum Ctenophora. Fourth, phylum Platyhelminthes. Fifth one, phylum Aschelminthes. Sixth one, phylum Annelida. Seventh one, phylum Arthropoda. Eighth one, phylum Mollusca. 9, phylum Echinodermata. 10, phylum Hemichordata, and the last one, phylum Chordata. And these are the 11 major phylums. We can move through the features of distinguishing features of each phylum. Let's start the phylum Porifera. What are the features of or salient features of phylum Porifera? Then phylum Porifera, that is commonly known as sponges. They are generally marine in nature except Spongilla. Spongilla is a freshwater sponge. Then most of the Porifera are asymmetrical organisms. We know that what you mean by asymmetrical. Then these are primitive multicellular animals and also have a cellular level of organization. And sponges have a water transport or a canal system, and water enters through minute pores. Then these pores are called ostia, and one or more large pores are present at the anterior end, that is known as osculum. And this pathway of water transport is helpful in food gathering, respiratory exchange, and removal of waste materials. Then digestion is intracellular. Body is supported by skeleton made up of spicules or spongin fibers. Sexes are separate, that means they exhibit hermaphrodite because male and female sex organs present in same individual, that means they produce egg and sperm in same individual, that is called the hermaphrodite. Then sponges reproduce asexually by fragmentation and sexually by formation of gamete. These are the features of phylum Porifera. Let's move to the examples of Porifera. Examples: Cycon, another name is Kypha. Spongilla, that is called a freshwater sponge. Spongilla, that is called a bath sponge. Let's observe these 3 examples, and these are the example. First one is Cycon, Spongia and Spongilla. These are the examples of phylum Porifera. Thank you all.